Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Grok Online for free. In order to do so, here we are at x.com, and all you pretty much need in order to take advantage of Grok is you need an account with X, and here on the left-hand side in the main menu, you will find the Grok option. Just go ahead and click on that. And then from there, all you have to do is just type in whatever it is that you are interested in asking about, and Grok will help you out there. So let's go ahead and use the Draw Me option. Why not? And you can see here that Grok is now going to create an image of our profile. So that's pretty cool. And it's free. So this is really quite nice what you have available to you with Grok. It's very powerful. Now, there are limits. You are going to need a premium subscription in order to get full advantage of everything that Grok has, its full capabilities. But you can do quite a bit with the free version. You can generate quite a few images, and you can pretty much ask as many questions as you want. But you are going to run into some limits at some point, and it's basically going to say you got to come back a little bit later or something of the sort. But for the most part, you can pretty much use Grok for free. And again, you can do some pretty cool stuff with the images. As you can see here, you can ask any questions that you might be interested in. You can use the deep search function to search deeply to deliver detailed, well-reasoned answers. You can solve the hardest problems in math, science, and coding with the reasoning model using the think option. You can edit images, transforming the images with style transfers, edits, and more. So there's a lot that you can do with Grok for free. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, we would really love to have you over there on x.com. We just opened our account, and if you want to give us a follow, we're putting the latest AI information, news, updates on a regular basis. Would love to have you there. Also, take a look in the description. You will find our socials as well as our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.